You're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on that rodeo house. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. You say that I'm crazy. It's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo house. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. And I can drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo house.
So guys, I'm officially a convert of the dried sorrel. I fought it so hard trying to get the fresh sorrel, but I couldn't. And I eventually had to go with the dried sorrel. And it was actually richer than the fresh sorrel. This is it. I might not go back to the regular sorrel unless I'm in Jamaica. This is it. This is it. I'm fully converted, guys. It's the end of the day, right? And I just had my package delivered. I bought a Chi Infra keratin mist leave-in conditioner for my hair. And it's leaked. It's frozen. It's frozen solid. That's never happened before. But I suppose it was inevitable. I just gonna pick up. Stop it, Auntie. Ew. Bailey's cream coffee. Cream donut. What do you want to get?
Breakfast. Did you have coffee already? Did you make coffee? I'm gonna get out of this.
Do you want bacon or egg?
I don't want it.
Y'all, we're doing a little shopping. And look where I ended up. In the baby aisle. And all I know. And for milk. I remember, and ever since I was young, my mom gave her babies Enfamil, right? Especially when they were young, like newborns and stuff. I ended up breastfeeding exclusively for 6 months, which not ended up, that was deliberate. But I breastfed exclusively for 6 months, barely making it because I didn't have like a powerful, like, you know how some women, their supply is really good and, you know, sometimes even overflowing. I didn't have that. Like, there was a point where I couldn't even pump anymore, so she literally had to be on the tit all the time. Let's say you can't do that, right? Hold on, let me turn this around. 0 months. Look how much for that. And I know this ain't feeding the kid for whatever's in here is not feeding the kid no long time. This is the thing. And this costs $46 for a cat. I know that now feel the picnic for no time good. There's some other ones like Similac. Again, this not feed the picnic no time. Step 1. The mirror for bigger picnic. As the picnic get older, you know, it start get a little bit cheaper. But yeah. But truly, I'm just like, are you okay? No. We haven't begun to talk about diapers, right? And then there's are y'all okay? Oh, what? Where are the diapers?
I don't know. Pampers.
I think they're down here. Let's go look at some diaper costs. Okay, so we're in the diaper aisle. Let's find some newborn diapers. All right, this is a step 1. 8. So this isn't newborn, but this is step 1. And this is 200, a pack of 200 for $41.97. I forget how long that would last, but yeah. Some step 1 Pampers. Same thing, 8 to 14 pounds. So like maybe a 1 month, 2 month baby. You know. Ugh. So the diapers aren't so bad in my opinion. They're not too bad. Not too bad. But the fact that I don't see any newborn ones here worry me. Because I think that might mean that they're hard to get and more expensive.
Hey guys, I would just like to say some words that I hope you had a very good new year.
All right, ready? You ready? Over with. Fire over this stuff. Okay, let's go. My thoughts and prayers. Sorry.
Okay.
Thoughts and prayers are with you, the new parents. Welcome to another freezing day. So I'm at Costco and I'm literally running because my husband is not coming with me because I asked him. I said I wanted to get a book. I wanted to go look for a book. If I find the book, then you'll see this. And if I don't, you won't. But the idea is I'm looking for a book. The man said I'm not coming inside. So I'm literally just... Hold on. So I'm really just going to the book section. Literally, that's where I'm going to see if I can find a book. And the book that I'm looking for is a 12-week year. I do have a soft copy. I have a digital copy. But if you don't know, I'm a bookworm. I'm a scribe. And I just really feel like this year I've got to do a lot of strategic work. And I want to have the book in hand to help me do that. But I'm not. So, yeah. In order for us to do the in and out thing, he's not coming. So I'm just gonna go to the book section. Whew. Alright. These are novels. Please be here. I know I've seen it once before. Ha! It's not in here. I'm so sad. I might order it on Amazon. Oh, look at this. Classic Tales of Christmas. And just walk around. Ooh. Oh, these are kiddo books. Alright, well, guess that's that. Going straight back to my husband. Well, no books. I'm gonna go home and I'm going to order it on Amazon. Alright guys, so I'm in Indigo. Like I said, the other day I was looking for books. I read this one, I think. I forgot that when I show you, because I'm using the front camera. It's just too hard for me to use the back camera. So, I'm not using it. I'm looking for that book. But I'm also looking for a study Bible. So one of the things I want to do more this year is to go deeply into studying and taking my walk in my faith. And I want a study Bible. You want that one? Okay. I'm not a big fan of self-help books, right? But I do want that one. And like I said, I do have a digital copy, but I'm a scribe. I like to write, I like to feel things out. I like to scribble.
Scribble?
Mm-hmm.
A diary of CEO.
A CEO.
CEO, diary of CEO.
Yeah, that's Chief Executive Officer.
Come on, let's go ask.
If you see somebody, can you ask them for me? If you see somebody, please ask them for me.
What was the name of the book?
The 12-week year. Look at all these nice smelling candles and blankets. They really make you comfortable. See them things here? You know what this is? A bookworm's dream.
Mommy, smell this one.
My non-bookworm husband. Yeah? That smells good? It does. Smells lovely. Where's that person that you talked to? I need to find them again. And mugs. Everything for make your life. This is the marketing strategy. This is the psychology that they put all the things together to make you want to be like, yes.
Mommy, I found her. I found her.
Look at this.
Mommy, put that down.
Sorry. Okay. All right.
That is a big book. How are you going to finish it?
It's not a book. It's a Bible.
It's a Bible. It's a big Bible. Let me see.
Okay, but where do you make the notes? Is it only the woman's Bible because it's pink? So it's not for studying?
Oh, wait. If you can start at the front.
That's not enough. It's not enough to write in. I want to scribble at the side and write my thoughts. I have plenty of them. How much is this? US price is $50. What is this? Myra on TV. Reference Bible. Thin line Bible. Do they?
Holy Bible. I found it.
I'm looking for a study Bible. These are all pretty, but they don't have.
Let's ask that.
What kind of study Bible them you have now? Space for my mark up here.
Let's ask the girl again. Let's ask her.
I don't need the girl again. Come back. know what? Life is so funny, and it's so important to live in your blessing and to live in the moment. I just made a really stupid mistake, and I just thought, oh my gosh. So I'm picking up some stuff, and I was loading the car, so I was going to and fro. And I left the car, like I was inside for, so while I was doing in and out, right, it was just a couple of seconds. So pick up, come back to the car, pick up, come back to the car. I was inside for, I want to say about 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. And when I came back out, I realized that I just left the car door wide open. Completely forgot, completely unbothered, wide open. I still think it was careless. But, you know where I couldn't do that? Or where just that would have been enough to cause an issue? Anyway. I better come start up nothing with me. Talk about all. I put nothing in a bad light. I'm talking my truth. And this is just me remembering to be grateful for my blessing. Just the little things. Like the little thing. Like the fact that I could afford to forget for 2 minutes. Anyway, yeah. This is the very first Shein package of 2025.
Shein? Oh, I thought it was
Shein.
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 I think this is how you say Shein in British. Shein. I don't know either. What's that?
How did this get here first? Or did they put all of it together?
What's that?
That's interesting.
Whoa.
It's a dress.
A weird dress that might not fit you.
Why wouldn't it fit me?
It looks small from.
Quite a cute little dress.
It looks small when you like hold it up like this.
That is strange.
Whoa! Your bot goes to.
Yeah. And there's some. Oh. Eat.
You happy?
Yes. Let me
Well, I'm glad you're
take
happy.
off my socks.
Well, I'm glad you're happy.
I think they went this way. Yeah,
Does it fit?
I like.
Try to stand on it.
Oh my god. Ugh.
Not for room carpet, miss.
No, but they're new. Boy,
I
they
think
feel comfy. Ouch. Those are back. I've never bought Shein shoes before, so I was worried that they wouldn't look great. And this is a clutch. This I bought 2 packages. But this one is the second one, which is strange. Little clutch hair.
that's cute.
It is.
Maybe you can fit all your makeup and stuff in there. Woo.
Got a string. Got a nice little clutch.
What's those?
Right. Fashion necklace hair. That's supposed to go with the shoe. Some lashes. I thought it wasn't on it. It was.
Is that for Daddy? Maybe you can wear them with the. With
Babe,
his
this
blue
looks small
jeans.
enough.
What do you mean it looks small? To me, it looks big.
Bring it to your pa. Make him try it on.
Which people?
Bring it to your pa and make him try it on. I think that's it. Those were add-ons that I forgot off the main order. I gotta wear these, but they're also rose gold. Cosmetic jewelry tend to soar off my ears, so that's why I'm forever. Huh? It fit? Let me see now. And it's fine if you're gonna wear a white t-shirt under it? Okay. Alright. So I was saying that cosmetic earrings soar my ears. I don't know how else to say that in a cutesy way. Them soar my ears. So I generally only wear these. Or real gold. Anything else I put in there. Silver I put in there, it's or it's cosmetics, it's or it. But I think I can get away with an hour or two. Wait. There we go. An hour or two of, you know, da-da-da. So anyway, there we go. That is strange. What did I do with my phone? Put it in this. How did it get here?
How did what get here?
This is a little ridiculous. All right, let me see. Shipped. Why is the first order that I made that was supposed to get here first, which was supposed to be accelerated shipping, my package is in Alberta, Southern Alberta.
Your packages is in Alberta?
Yeah.
Did they send it to the wrong place?
No, it just didn't get here yet.
Oh.
Okay.
How many flights does it take to get from Alberta to Regina?
1.
Oh.
Alright, yeah, people. So I wanted to buy some fits, some outfits. Like, we don't generally do the matchy thing, but I really wanted to this time around. Well, match with my nice man. My daughter's looking at me like I'm crazy.
Hi.
Why are you looking at me like that?
Because
what?
I wanted to tell you that if you put on that dress with those shoes and with this chain and use this purse, that'll make a whole cute outfit.
That's the idea. Alright, I'll go shower so I can go shower. Why are you destroying the thing? You know,
I'm not.
Is it not fun to pop them?
It is.
So
I'm popping it in another way.
Okay. I got a notice about a coyote at your school. Did they tell you about the coyote?
Coyote.
Yeah, it looks like a dog, but it's a
Coyote?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
They told you about it?
People, but not the teacher.
Did they tell you what to do if you saw one?
No. Run away from your life. For your life.
Let me
For
tell you.
your life, not run.
Let me tell you what the notice said. It
What
says there's a notice that tell you what to do. So I'm telling you what to do if you see
A coyote?
yeah. It says run and make loud noises and make yourself seem big with your arms in the air. Do that, let me see. Make yourself seem big.
Or like this.
Like this. You don't look very big if you're doing this. Do like this.
Okay.
Yes, and make lots of loud noise. And if you have food in your bag, drop the bag.
Why?
Because maybe the coyote just wants the food. And he'll stop chasing you if he gets the food. Maybe he just smells the food in your bag. And that's why he's chasing you. So if you drop
But
the bag...
what if it's an expensive bag and he eats
It
the
doesn't
bag?
matter. The bag can go. What's important? Who's important?
Me.
That's right.
So, where's Daisy?
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. 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 Even when my teardrops start to dry, even when the sun begins to shine,